Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It helps other people know when I'm posting videos and recipes. Well, today is another recipe day. Today we're going to be making a healthy almond flour crust pizza. This recipe comes to you from Max's Best Bootcamp, and I have their link below the video. I'm not going to put the recipe ingredients over the timeline because I wasn't the original creator of the recipe. But for this particular recipe, you'll need 2 cups of almond flour, and we're going to be using the very fine blanched almond flour from our friends at Walmart. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or avocado oil or any oil of your choice. And then we're going to mix all the ingredients together, and we'll take, at that point your oven should be preheated to 400 degrees, and we'll take a couple of sheets of parchment paper, take the dough, put it in between the 2 sheets of parchment paper, roll it out into some type of a rectangular or a round pizza crust depending on what I want to use. We'll pop that baby in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until it starts browning, and then we'll pull it out, and then we'll add our pizza sauce. We're going to be using the Rayo's pizza sauce, maybe about a cup of that. And of course mozzarella cheese, maybe a little bit of parm, and maybe some pepperoni. I have these little baby bits of pepperoni, and I'm thinking about putting some olives on it or something like that. But that's pretty much going to be our meal for today, and we'll put it back in the oven at the same temperature, 400, and when the pizza comes out all nice and gooey and ooey there, it's time to eat. We'll let it cool a little bit, and we'll cut it up at the pizza cutting wheel, and we'll come back and talk about it. Now, I made this recipe several times before, and every time I make it, it comes out really, really good. The only problem with the flatbread pizza dough is that sometimes it won't stay traditionally like a pizza, like a regular pizza does. You know how when you take it off the slice and it's all gooey and ooey, and with the dough. But you know, we're trying to cut out the carbs today, and today is Friday, and it's getting close towards the weekend, and I just feel like having pizza today. And I'm going to continue on with the carnivore challenge, but I'm going to do carnivore Monday through Thursday and do keto on the rest of the weekend. I miss vegetables and fruits, and we're going to start incorporating more vegetables and fruits for the remainder of the month, but we're still going to keep it carnivore and watch the carbs and the calories, and we should have a successful weight loss month. But so far I'm holding my own. I haven't gained any weight this month, and I haven't lost any weight in a week. I've been so much under a lot of stress with my feet, and now that we know exactly what's going on with my feet, we'll talk about it in my next weekly update. So anyways, without further ado, let's go right into the recipe, and we'll come back and talk about it. From this point on, you're going to see just music, and the ingredients is the amount. I'll have them all pre-weighed, and I'll show you the process of putting it in a bowl and mixing it up with a spatula, and the process of rolling out in between the parchment papers. And you can even put it on a silicone mat, it don't matter. And then I just wanted to give you the tip of the day. When you're dealing with parchment paper, and if it slides all over the counter, just slightly damp a piece of paper towel. We'll put the piece of paper towel underneath the piece of parchment paper, and that'll keep the parchment paper from rolling. And then we'll probably just cut it to a round circle and put it on a pizza pan that I have. I got a 14-inch pizza pan, and you can divide this pizza dough up in 2 if you want to make it for you and your spouse. And if your spouse don't like certain ingredients that you like, and you like a different ingredients, you're fine. And it does freeze, by the way. You can freeze it as well. But anyways, enough said of all that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's go right into the video. Have a great day, guys. Hi guys, so these are our choice of toppings for our pizza for today. We got our pizza dough baking in the oven. It should be ready in about 5 minutes or so. So we're gonna use the what's left of this Reyes pizza sauce. I've had it for a couple weeks and I want to use up the rest of the jar. Probably about maybe less than a half a jar of pizza sauce. And if you're concerned about the macros, that's the macros. It's very clean. And then we're gonna put what's left of the mozzarella cheese. Use it up. Put a little bit of black olives. These are all the pre-chopped and they great for a snack. And then we're gonna put some mini pepperonis on there, and these are macros for the mini pepperonis. And I love pizza. I can have pizza just about any time of day. So it's been about 8 or 9 minutes. We're going to pop the pizza dough out of the oven, and we're going to create our pizza with the sauce and the ingredients. As soon as you see it start to brown like that, you can see it's nice to golden brown. So let's start there. Be careful, it's going to be hot. Okay, so our pizza is done. It's been cooling down for a little while. Still a little warm. It just came out of the oven not too long ago. You can see it's nice and gooey and bubbly, and put pepperoni on there, a little bit of peppers and some black olives and this mozzarella cheese. And I got a pizza wheel cutter. See how it cuts. It's cutting really well, so let's cut it again. We'll cut it one more time. See, it's separated for us really nicely. I'm going to grab a plate, throw a couple of slices on there for back room. Hi guys, so we are back. Our pizza is done, and this is the final product. see it's probably gonna break, yeah, but it's okay. See how nice and golden brown that is in the bottom? Let's see, pull off another little piece. That's the only problem with the with this particular type of dough. It breaks easy, see? But it's really, really good. I would say it's a little bit dry on the dough, but you can add some more oil, and then that's my wife and the cat. But anyways, let me know if you ever made this type of pizza before. What's your favorite pizza topping? Anyways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day.